Bitcoin is literally about to create one of the biggest moves ever. But the crazy thing is that nobody is having a look in towards the Bitcoin charts. Look, right now is the time to be preparing yourself because Bitcoin is about to do it again. We are about to see this massive move once again being created. So then right away, starting off with the imminent short-term Bitcoin price action. Well, we are still trading in towards the weekend. And usually around, we do tend to see lower amounts of volatility during a weekend, and definitely we can be seeing this because looking at this tweet that has been posted yesterday, well, Bitcoin was trading inside of a $10 range for like 1.5 hours. Like, weekends are right now without any volatility, which is like kind of crazy. And I was responding to that, well, I feel like something massive is about to happen because usually after these periods of boring price action, we tend to see massive moves being created. And we can see this exactly happening in Bitcoin price action because we are still developing all of these Bitcoin patterns while we are coming very close towards the apex and not yet seeing any kind of a breakout. But guys, one thing is for sure, whenever we are actually going to be seeing this breakout happening right here, well, then we are going to be exploding. And if you have been following me for a longer period of time, you of course already know that I do think this huge move is going to be coming towards the upside because, well, first of all, these falling wedge patterns are of course bullish biased patterns. Just like right here, we broke in the end of the day towards the upside. It is going to be more likely that we will be seeing this continuation towards the upside. Also, because usually around a falling wedge pattern has a likelihood of like 80% of breaking towards the upside. Now, at the same time, we can still see volume dropping while we saw a breakdown actually of this consolidation range. A lot of people are right now shorting and a lot of people will get wrecked if we are going to be getting this push towards the upside. Now, then also the stock market has been going up continuously while Bitcoin actually in the short term has been a little bit downtrending or consolidating. And previously around, we could see this also happening over here. And in the end of the day, that has caused this huge move towards the upside that we got created over here. So we are doing exactly the same. We are creating this divergence in between the Bitcoin price and the stock market price. We are still in the longer term trend, still looking very good with this cup and handle breakout, of course, towards the upside. Now, this orange level is going to be the level we need to be breaking. And whenever we can be breaking above this orange weekly resistance, well, that is definitely going to be the moment where we are going to be moving explosively towards the upside. Now, in my opinion, this is going to be pretty likely that this will be happening because the trend is still towards the upside. Having a look in towards the daily trend, we are still in this uptrend, and this trend is of course because of this bear market recovery that we are currently still in. And then having a look in towards the on-chain indicators, well, we are not looking exhausted at all. We still have a lot more room for growth, so that is suggesting me that this trend towards the upside is still going to be continuing. And that is going to be the reason why in the short term, we want to be having a look in towards these short-term patterns. And whenever we are going to be breaking it towards the upside, well, then we are going to be blasting off. So yeah, a little bit of a shorter video right here today, but not a lot is happening in the Bitcoin charts. But right now is certainly the time you want to be preparing yourself. So make sure to be following me on Twitter. Join the free Telegram channel with a link down in the description. And I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.